Another thing we might want to make is a bird. Roll it around a little bit to get all the seam lines out of it, and then elongate it a little bit. And then we're going to go up to the front here. What we want to do is create just a little bit of a bulb at the top for a head. What you want to do is just pinch out a beak. You're going to take your project knife and cut the beak in on each side. And you also want to put an eyeball in it. On the other end of the bird down here in the body part of it, what you want to do is elongate that a little bit more, just tapering it out more towards the end, and then flattening it out at the end to create the rear tail feathers. Now with that tail feathers, what you can do is take your knife and just slash it down the base of it. This creates the feathers, the tail feathers. When it dries, it gives it a nice look, textured look to it. Let that dry that way. To make the wings, what you want to do again is roll it into a ball and then elongate it a little bit more again and taper it at both ends. This will create 2 equal wings on your bird. And then using your knife right down through the center, just roll it back and forth until it cuts it equally. You now have 2 equal wings for your bird. Flattening them out on each side. This creates the nice tapered look of the wing, and then you give a nice little cut to the top. This creates the ridge of the wing, and then slashing it downward creates the feathers of the wing itself. And do the same to the other one. And then you would take a little bit of the cement, adding just a little bit on each side of the body. You can now take your wings and place them on the bird. Now you can create the feet, making the ball first and then flattening it out. Cut out 2 triangles. There's one and another one. And then you can cut some toes in it. Now take a little bit of wire, and it's easily cut with a pair of scissors. Cut what you need for your length. Fold it over and you'll have 2 equal pieces. Cut that. We're now going to attach these to the feet using a little bit more of the project glue. Take the foot and bend it over a little bit and put that into that foot and let it sit overnight and dry that way. Then when you can come back the next day, what you would do is attach the foot by cementing it in to the base of the bird, putting a little cement on it, cement it in, same with the other one, and then you can cement the bird down onto the ground.